Hello, my name is Gaedechens, and I recently completed an internship at Mastercard Advisors, a global leader in the payment industry. I was part of the consulting service area, specifically in the South LAC cluster, which includes the office of Chile and Argentina too. During my internship, I was involved in two different projects, both focused on value proposition. My role within this project was to analyze some of the dimensions that are considered for the project's realization through all its phases. For instance, with the value proposition project for the airline's loyalty program, we had dimensions such as redemption, accumulation, benefits, customer service, and brand positioning. The most challenging activity during my internship was a task for the bank in Uruguay. I was entrusted with the responsibility of recommending one of Mastercard expenses control payment and credit card management tools. The bank wanted to offer its customers better tools to control the cards for the company, to connect these tools through their ERPs, to make payments and keep their finance update in real time. At that time, there were two tools available according to the requirements requested by the client. On one hand, we have a Mastercard Smart Data, an online expense management tool that provides a comprehensive solution for managing and controlling expenses. It captures detailed information about purchases made using Mastercard payment tool, which is then available for the review and approval. In the other hand, we have Mastercard in Control for commercial payments. This is a powerful solution to help streamline payments by enabling users to create and manage unique generator retail account number to make payment to their suppliers for goods and service. This is very good for the ones who want some more secure payment control, because you can activate the virtual account number just to one purchase or just with a band of like the hours that you want. And the selection for the right tool was not a straightforward process. This required a deep dive into the functionalities, advantages, and disadvantages of each tool. I conducted a benchmark analysis of the players who use these digital tools to visualize the preferred tool of the market. I also had meetings with experts within Mastercard who are in charge of these tools, and they helped me to analyze what was more convenient for the bank given their current capabilities and the needs of their customers. This activity was especially challenging as it led to many meetings where I had to present my results and explain this expenses control to my boss, my teammates, and the client. This was challenging for me because one of my skills to improve was public speaking, and this was something I had to tell my boss and was one of my goals to improve and learn. So I faced a great challenge and managed to carry out very well. Finally, these tools were added to the implementation plan of the value proposition for the bank. They asked that an implementation plan be created for both management tools, as they will decide internally when the time came to adopt them. So this right here is the high-level implementation card, which specifies the responsible area that determined by the workshop conducted with the bank, the objectives and description of the opportunity, benefits it will provide to the bank, risk and considerations that need to be taken into account for the implementation. Also, it has a high-level Gantt chart with all the necessary activities to achieve the objective and some other requirements. This experience was significant learning curve for me. It allowed me to develop into the functionality of Mastercard digital tools, understand their application in the real-world scenarios, and communicate this insight effectively to various stakeholders. It was a challenging task that required me to step out of my comfort zone, especially when it came to public speaking, as I said before. but it was also an opportunity that allowed me to grow and develop my professional skills. Thank you for listening.